Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up the Cubit-CalculiX component for Coreform Cubit on Windows. The first thing you need is to download the Windows build, and you will need Coreform Cubit, the most recent version. You can download that on coreform.com. Under downloads you'll find the Windows build. When you downloaded and installed Cubit, you just need to extract the binaries for the component. This will probably take some time. Okay, as the directory is already on our desktop, we can set the path to the component in Cubit. So you just go into Tools, Plugins, then you add a location to look for plugins and components. In this case, it's right on the desktop. After that, you just need to close and restart Cubit again. But we will have to wait until this is finished. Okay, now the unzipping is finished. So we just need to restart Cubit again. And here we go. Oh, here's the tree. Okay, now we make a little test if everything works. So we open one of the examples. Best example to check if everything is okay is the first run example. This will create the geometry, do the whole setup, the whole preprocessing for CalculiX, run the job, wait for the job, and open the results with CGX and PowerView. So CGX seems to work. Just let us display something. Yeah, that's good. PowerView opens too. Okay. Okay, that's the setup on Windows. Thanks for watching.